Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to stain a treated deck. This video is perfect for you if you're looking to stain a deck that has been previously oiled, stained or painted. Perhaps you're looking to do this as part of an annual maintenance process. If your deck is either brand new and never coated or extremely weathered, then perhaps you want to check one of our other videos which might be more suitable for your circumstances. This is because the preparation required for these types of decks, depending on their condition, can be very different. And in this video, we're going to specifically focus on how to prepare a treated deck. This means you'll need to strip away old treatments. You can do this using Ronseal's Decking Stripper. It's easy, it removes all the old coatings and helps you to get your stain to stick, keeping your deck looking great for as long as it can. If your deck has been previously treated in Ronseal's quick dry and decking stain, then you don't need to strip. In this circumstance, you can just clean the deck and then go straight on with your chosen coating. Our stripper works best in warmer weather, so pick a dry day. Be sure to brush away any dirt first, then shake it, pour it, and work it into the wood. You might need to reapply the stripper to patches that have dried out. But otherwise, just sit back and after 30 minutes, scrape the surface with something sharp. If the stripper hasn't worked, you'll need to apply a bit more and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. But if it comes right off, start scrubbing with a stiff outdoor brush. Pour on some water and carry on scrubbing. Finally, give your decking a really good jet wash. It's best to leave your deck for 48 hours before staining, as you need it bone dry. With Ronseal's Ultimate Protection Decking Stain, the hint is in the name. It gives ultimate protection for up to twice as long as standard decking stains, and with its vibrant colours, it allows the natural beauty of the wood to shine through. Today we're going for natural oak. Give it a good stir, and with a thick brush, dip and go with the grain. To make things easier, you can use one of our applicator pads. Either way, take 3 or 4 panels at a time to avoid overlap marks. After 4 hours, it will be dry and ready for its second coat. Congratulations, you've finished your job, but you need to clean your tools. Just wash your brushes in warm soapy water and you're done. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.